We're looking for a linear approximation estimation of this expression that has been given here. So you hopefully still remember what we discussed in class, that the linear approximation of the function is roughly speaking the expression of the tangent line, where the tangent line is identified at the point of A. So it's a natural question for you to say, okay, what exactly is a function you are going to play with? What exactly is a point you really want to evaluate? And where do you build the equation of a tangent line? So the general function, you're going to look at it and try to find the one expression that you can change, but would be something that's going to be approximated later. So in this particular case, the number that's not friendly is this one. So we decide we're going to call my function as x to the power of 1/3. And therefore, by combining this and that expression together, it's relatively intuitive that your x is 125.03, which you will need to find later. You want your a to be a number that's close to your x, but also easy to evaluate in the original function. So we are going to decide to end up with 125 here. And just a quick comment, 125 to the power of 1/3 is 125 takes cube root, which is exactly 5. So f of a is quite easy to evaluate. So let's go ahead and try to find our equation of a tangent line and then estimate my function. So first thing first, the function f of a is 125 to the power of 1/3, which we evaluated already. It's 5. So my function goes through the point 1, 2, 5, and 5. So this is my point, which we are going to use and build tangent line later. The derivative is the derivative of x to the 1/3, which is 1/3 x to the negative 2/3, which is 1/3, and then the cube root of x and then squared. Therefore, f prime of a is 1/3, the cube root of 125, which you know is 5 already. So it's 1/3 times 5 squared, so 1/75. So you know your slope, you know your point. It's quite easy how to put things together. It's y minus 5 equals 1/75 x minus 125. In other words, y is 5 add up to x/75 minus 125/75. If you really want, you can simplify. It's 5/3 by dividing 25 on the top and bottom. So all you need to do now is to figure out what's going on when x is 125. So you change x into 125. So 125.03 to the 1/3, which roughly speaking is your function value at that point, is 5 plus 125.03 divided by 75 minus 5/3, which is your final answer.